even better. Cheers to a new video for Vlogmas. I've been so excited about keeping up with the Vlogmas content. You know, I think I'm gonna be out of breath soon, but it's absolutely okay. So this is gonna be a quick baking video. There are these strawberry cupcakes that I've been, and actually my strawberries just fell, but they're frozen strawberries, so that's okay. I'm baking strawberry cupcakes. I've been quite eager to bake these because of the whipped frosting. Now the cupcake batter is from the box, Pillsbury. However, the frosting, I always make my frostings from scratch because in store, when you purchase from that, it's just way too sweet, leaves a horrible aftertaste, so it has too much food coloring, and then you can taste the food coloring. So I always resort to making my own frosting. Now this whipped frosting will be made with actual strawberries. I saw it online. You have to cook the strawberries first. There's an actual name for it, like baking jargon. I don't recall, but I will put it on the screen here. So I'm hella excited about that. I was supposed to bake these cupcakes game night, which was the celebration for my mom's 60th birthday. However, I ran out of time. I wanted to go ahead and have some strawberries out, so you know, everyone wouldn't have to just wait for the cake, because you know me personally, you know Jazzy Baby loves to have desserts first. But I didn't have time for that, so now I'm baking them for my nieces, and I actually always end up baking for them the day I leave. But I don't have an issue doing that because one, I'm their favorite aunt. But honestly, because I leave right before 2 of their birthdays, so this is just a little HBD. Love you so much. Miss me. Don't forget, I'm your favorite. And they're watching this right now. Y'all better be screaming. Y'all better hype me up in the comments too. Anyhow, I hope you all enjoy the video. It's gonna be short because I'm also going to the airport at 3:30. So I'm gonna be moving, shaking, you know, wibble wopping, dropping it like it's hot to make sure I get these cupcakes done in time, because I'm pretty sure I have to, yeah, of course, because they're gonna be whipped. The strawberries can't be hot. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get it done. If you have any questions, drop them in the contacts. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, or contact me directly on xoJRwellness.com/contact. Enjoy. Also, do you guys like my hair in a pony? I like it so much. When, you know, it just helps my makeup look much more clean instead of, you know, like too dark or anything. It's giving bright, springy summer when it's definitely fall and winter, but that's okay. FYI, if you ever make your frosting from home, especially whipped frosting, always place your bowl in the freezer so it's cold. Even the spoon, the utensils you're going to use to mix, the spatula to whip, I even use for the blender, I will put those in the freezer as well. It helps it so much because, you know, just like coconut oil, if you use coconut oil and you know how it begins to melt in your hands due to your body heat, that will happen with your whipped frosting as well. So even your bag, your whipping bag, your frosting bag in the freezer, trust me, it will make a difference. And I learned that from trial and error. And my mom, I know she remembers, I've done icing and I'm like, it's melting. What do I do? What do I do? Then I put it in the freezer, take it out, have to do it again. But if you put them all in the freezer beforehand and take care of everything else, it's gonna turn out awesome. I wonder if we'll have time to take a cupcake to the girls. We'll see. Super fun fact, friends, strawberry is my favorite cake. It's not vanilla, it's not chocolate, it's my favorite cake, strawberry. Look at that. So maybe I actually want to bake this for myself. I don't know. My graduation cake was strawberry, and my little cousin Aiden, his favorite cake is strawberry as well. And I really wanted him to have one. I knew he would have enjoyed it. So I love you, Aiden. I got you next time, I promise. Y'all, it smells so good. Like, also when I'm baking, I don't try the batter. The cookie dough, I'll try to make sure, you know, it's top tier, because y'all know I make the best chocolate chip cookies, better than your grandma. But cake batters, I don't try them until the very end. The very end. I'm like, okay, I need a little bit of this, need a little bit of that. But when it's a box, I've made this thousands of times, but that frosting, that's what I try. All right, y'all, first batch is going in.
First who?
Cupcakes. All right, I'm gonna try out this batter. I'm at the end. Well, not at the end, but done mixing and everything. My cupcakes are baking. So I just have a bit left to try. Ooh. And you're not supposed to eat raw batter. But but that's it. See, that's all I want to try. Now, my brother James was here. Watch this clip of him eating one of my cupcakes. It's disgusting.
Because I
so
actually go 13 hours for this cupcake. Huh?
Ew, why are you like, oh, James, that was extra.
James always.
Oh, ew.
Disgusting. So disgusting. But if he was here, listen, I would have been fighting him off and he would have been fighting me for trying to rinse this bowl out right now, for sure. The cupcakes are definitely larger than I intended, and I almost left them in too long because the top is a bit toasty, but they're cute. And this one overflowed, so I'm just gonna try this one and make sure I like it. Cheers. Oh, look at the steam. I love when the steam shows on camera. Ooh, these don't even need frosting, to be honest. So I'm thinking I may or may not level them off. I probably won't, just so they'll like them if they're huge, but damn. If you're making cupcakes, especially the Pillsbury strawberry, don't do the halfway fill. Do like maybe a third or a fourth. Wait, which one's bigger? A third, yeah, for sure. Let's go. Ooh. I have my second batch in now, but it's only about 4 cupcakes. Those may be kind of huge too, but I'm gonna take them out in time so they don't have that toastiness on top. Okay friends, it's frosting time, and I know you guys see the powdered sugar right there. It's out and ready for me. All you have to do, well, for starters, I am making and I couldn't remember the name earlier. It is called the strawberry reduction. So basically you're cooking your strawberries so they can soften up, turn into a glaze so you can blend it together. I have frozen strawberries. I purchased frozen instead of fresh. I think because it just seemed more logical to me, because I know I wanted it whipped and I needed them to be cold. But I set them out for a bit, maybe about an hour. So now I'm about to throw them onto the stove so I can cook it. You have to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. I found this on TikTok by Cake Me Home Tonight. I'll be sure to put a clip of the video there or a link in the description. Probably do a clip though. But yeah, you just
low heat and cook the strawberries
yeah.
for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Use the spoon to break up the strawberries as they are cooking.
okay, yeah, so just a strawberry reduction. That's it. You're cooking your strawberries until it gets really soft so you can make it into a puree. I'm sure you can use canned strawberries as well, but y'all know I like to do things from scratch.
Room temperature.
That's who I am. So let's see how this turns out.
And it's been about 3 minutes, and it's definitely the glaze. I can push it down already, so I think waiting for it to thaw a bit was a grand idea because they were already soft and not hard. Alrighty, it has now been about 7 minutes. I'm going to stop here.
Okay, it's frosting time. My bowl is nice and cold out of the freezer. So are my bags. It's time to do it. I'm gonna start with the room temperature butter. If your butter isn't coming out like this, you need to allow it to sit a bit longer. Number 2. Let me whip this thing on up. I was trying to give you all an angle to see the whole process, but I really need my aerial view tripod because the camera right there is just in the way, so I'll just bring the bowl over each time. So this is where we are right now, the buttercream with the powdered sugar and a little bit of the strawberry reduction. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the strawberries in, but this is it so far, nice and smooth. It's not too sweet. Let me get mine to taste. You guys know I said I taste when it comes to my frosting, I'm tasting it all, so. Okay. Not too sweet. I'm gonna add a little more powdered sugar. Ooh, this is a cute cover photo. Wait a second. God, I love when that happens. Second test of the frosting. Okay. Okay, yeah. It's at a perfect spot. If not too sweet, if I wanted to add some, it'd still be good. So, time to add the strawberry reduction. Did I show you all how it looks? Check it out. I did not use a blender for this. I just smushed it with the spoon. They were already super soft, and then, you know, the blender for the cake, I just used that. Why dirty up more dishes if you don't have to, you know? So now this goes in, and I'm gonna continue blending. Be right back. I screwed up, but not in a horrible way. I added the entire bag of strawberries, forgetting that I didn't add 2 blocks of butter. So the texture isn't what it should be. So I think I'm just gonna use that as a filling. I'm gonna add a little whipping cream and see if that can fix anything, because I'm like, maybe I should add more butter. I don't have any. I gotta figure this out. Okay. No, it's not holding firm. So I'm gonna use this as a filling, but I'm gonna try it with one of the cupcakes first. So I'm just gonna take this. Nothing special. I'm just breaking a piece and I'm gonna put some on there. Okay. See how it tastes. Wish my mom was up to try it. Super strawberry, so I'm just gonna have to do that. Damn, I can't believe I forgot. No, yeah, that's gonna be a fire filling though. Yeah. And so for the frosting, I'll just do a chocolate frosting. That one's a no-brainer right there. All right, these are it. They're not turning out how I want them to, but we'll see. So I'm gonna put these in the freezer. Excuse me, I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Go ahead and make my chocolate frosting so I can be done. A lot of chocolate. My chocolate is melting. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make the frosting. The strawberry filling, I really don't know what to do with it. I'm gonna see what my mom thinks. I don't know, give it to the girls or just pour it out. I just hate wasting stuff, but it's just, I can't use it. Like, I could have been done, but I used the entire bag of strawberries and of my entire creation of strawberry reduction, and that just was not a good idea. They melted, just a few more seconds. Melting chocolate can be so tedious, like so. Okay. El chocolate is melted. Isn't it just so freaking pretty? Look at that. Oof. I shall allow this to cool a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the freezer to speed up the chilling time. Do the hot chocolate, water, have my chocolate, and then I'll do the whipping cream. This is the last of the whipping cream. I have no time for mistakes, so if this doesn't turn out well, girls, I had great intentions, okay? I know chocolate strawberries are good, but chocolate and, you know, a filling, strawberry filling, chocolate, I just don't know. We're gonna see. So I'm all done with the cupcakes. However, they are not my best. I'm not satisfied with them at all. I just got too excited about that damn strawberry reduction, and I could have been done. So I did the chocolate whipped frosting. Kind of put a bit too much chocolate so it's not holding as firmly as I'd like them to. These are definitely not how I wanted them to look, but it's okay. It's okay. The girls will have the cupcakes as I promised. they'll know it's not my best, but it's absolutely okay. So that's all. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, I need to try the cupcake. I can't just end the video right now, so let me get my tester and try it. All right, here's the tester. It has been in the fridge. Try it for the people. Cheers. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like chocolate and strawberry together. The strawberry and strawberry tasty, but yeah, I don't like the chocolate with this. Inside is popping, but I don't like the chocolate with this. Yeah, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of it. The inside, yes. The whipped chocolate and that, no, not at all. It's not nasty, I just don't think the flavors complement each other. So girls, if you don't like it, it's absolutely okay. You would not hurt my feelings because I don't really care for them anyway. But I got y'all next time. I promise, I promise, I promise. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another episode of my, I was gonna say my color-coded juicing series, but this is not a juicing video. But thank you for tuning in for another Vlogmas video. Keeping up with this content, it's a lot, but it's also hella fun to be accomplishing my challenge. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Ciao. Boop.
Happy Christmas!
Make sure y'all like.
Happy Oh, hey, let me see you. Oh, oh, oh,
So make sure y'all like to my auntie channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel because she makes the best videos ever. Anytime y'all see her make a video, what y'all gonna do?
say.
Anytime y'all see her make a video, y'all gonna put in the comments
They say you are so pretty.
and give more bangers back to back to back to back.
Let me see.
And don't forget to subscribe and give a big thumbs up.
Please don't say me right.
And if y'all got something to say in the comments, say it to her face. 'Cause I ain't gonna say y'all what she
And make sure y'all like to her channel.
Y'all keep coming all that just so on my auntie comments. I'm gonna bing, bing, bing.
And if y'all don't want no problems, no coming in on her channel.
Y'all wanna fight? Just say it.
Ain't that right, auntie?
I know that's right. Period.
Hey, this is good, boy.